Hey everybody, this is John with Coach Marketing, and today we're going to show you how to host your very first meeting with Zoom meetings. This video is brought to you by Nikar. After picking a plan and registering, the first thing you're going to see when logging into Zoom is this, the dashboard. Now there's a lot of things we can do from this page, but today we're going to focus on starting a meeting, inviting people to that meeting, and then provide a quick overview of some of the basic functionality once inside the meeting. So to get started, we're going to select Host a Meeting in the upper right-hand corner of the screen, and we're going to start with Video On. So if this is your first time using Zoom, you're going to get a prompt to download the Zoom application. The download should start automatically, and once it's finished, just click the executable file. You'll only have to do this the first time you launch Zoom on any computer. You'll get a pop-up asking you about your computer audio. Click Join with Computer Audio, and just like that, you're in. If it's your first time using Zoom, we recommend starting a meeting with no participants, just like this one, so you can kind of play around and get a better feel for the controls. Let's go over a few of them now. Whenever you move your mouse, you'll see your control panel. While attendees do have some basic controls during a meeting, as the host, your control panel gives you everything you need to both conduct and moderate the meeting. Mute and stop video, toggle your microphone and camera on and off. You may want to consider keeping your microphone on mute when you're not speaking, especially if you're in a meeting with lots of people. If you hit the arrow next to mute, you gain access to some advanced options, such as changing or testing your audio equipment or changing your microphone sensitivity. Stop video simply turns off your camera in case you need a moment of privacy. If you click this arrow, you gain access to some advanced video options, the coolest of which by far is the virtual background feature. Boom. We're on the moon. Invite, in case you couldn't guess, allows you to invite attendees, either directly via email or by copying and sending a unique URL. Clicking Manage Participants opens up the Participants panel. This lets you see who all's in the meeting and do things like mute one or all attendees. Screen Share allows you to share your entire screen or any window you have open on your computer. If you click Advanced, you get additional options, like sharing just a portion of your screen. You can also use this to share files with your meeting attendees, using services like Dropbox or Google Drive. Clicking Chat brings up the Group Chat panel. You can use this to send a message visible to all participants or send a private message to just one person. The Record button toggles meeting recording on or off. We'll get into this more in a later video, but switching it on records the entire meeting, which can then be saved as a video file, either to your computer locally or to Zoom Cloud Storage, depending on your plan. And just in case you can't have too many emojis in your life, you have a few here under Reactions. Lastly, to end your meeting, click End Meeting. You can either choose to end the meeting for everybody or to just leave yourself and let everybody else continue on. And that's basically it. There's a few more advanced tips and tricks that we can go over in future videos, but this should give you everything you need to jump right in and start a Zoom meeting of your very own. Thank you to Nikar for making today's video possible. Check back next time where we'll be scheduling a meeting and showing you all the ways you can customize a scheduled meeting.